everybody, how are you? Oh, I hope you're all well and enjoying your summer. I've got a package today from Modelones. I'm dead excited about this because the only Modelones I've had is a set of colour changing polishes, and that is a video I did, God, a couple of years ago, and I thought, oh, I think I might have had a couple of acrylics of theirs. But Modelones, a lovely lady, got in touch and said, would you like to try this new celebrity, like a Collab celebrity palettes, and I've never had any of their palettes or anything, so dead excited. And I've had a quick peek in the box. They've sent me all three and a base and top coat, which is smashing, so I can do it properly for you. So there are three, and you can buy them all separately. Now, I've just had a look on the website about 5 minutes ago, and it said hot sale on it. So, don't know whether that's a cheaper price than normal, but have a look. And I've got a discount code in the links below. Got 10% if you put in Susan10. So, we've got John Bashik, or Bashik, Saxon Sharbino. Oh dear, I need to look this person up. I've no idea. I know I've probably been on Mars. Oh, it's these lovely colour cubes. And Jarko Vasquez. Yeah, so let's get some swatching sticks and we'll have a go. But before that, I just want to get this brush ready. So when you're using a solid, you want to get a bit of base coat. Oh, there's a gold top and a silver top. That's a good idea. Good idea to find them on the shelf. Yeah, so nail brush, because the solid gels, oh, wrong one, that's an acrylic brush. I want that one. I want this one. So a little bit of base coat on a palette is always the best way to get yourself ready for a solid gel polish. If you want to see the ingredients, you can pause there. Yeah. So you just get your brush. This brush is being cleaned in a cleaner with a conditioner, so it keeps it nice. But to get all your bristles nice and flexible, you just brush it in base coat. And then wipe it off. That's that. That's all ready. So let's start with this one. I've seen these, obviously. I've seen them on oh, well, I didn't know it came with a little brush. I was going to say, I've seen these on other people's videos, but I didn't remember it had a little brush with it. Oh, that's fantastic. So, that makes me handle, if you don't get your glove stuck in it. Oh, that's lovely. Oh. Right, that's nice. Isn't that pretty? And then you can shut it up again, and it's nice and wide, so you're not going to mess it up. Oh, I like that idea. Do you know these would be a fabulous little present for our Gabs? Wow. Yeah. Well, that's a nice surprise. So let's have a look here time. It's in loose, da-da-da. Base for 30 to 60. First coat of colour 30 to 60. So depends on your lamp. I suppose you'll know what it needs for curing. 30 to 60. I love these little cubes. Aren't these great to take away? And an easy tear Wow, they're nice. Oh, right. Let's get these done. So I'm going to base coat some swatch sticks, and then I shall be back and we'll put some colour on. Right. So I'll work my way around. It's nice and creamy. I don't know if I've put too much on my brush there. That's a lovely feel to it, that. Creamy, not sticky. Just creamy, very opaque. That's great for one coat. The only thing with using solid colours that you're using the brush for is that if you're doing odd nails in different colours, do each nail with the one colour, just to, well, it makes sense, doesn't it, just to save cleaning your brush off. But when we're doing the swatches, there's a lot of brush cleaning. Do you know, I think we all try to aim for perfection with that first coat, and we shouldn't really. Because the second coat's better. Oh, that's a nice rich blue. Beautiful navy. Well, between a royal and a navy, that, or a bright navy. Really nice. I like it. If you've not used a solid before, think about it, because it's really good for getting up and around your cuticle. If you tend to flood your cuticles, I would get some solids and see how you get on. This one's got a nice shimmer. That's pretty. Oh, it looks chromy when it's on. Getting mermaid vibes with that one. Oh, if you were painting a butterfly, like little gossamer wings of a butterfly. Beautiful. Nice bright pink. This is a Barbie pink, isn't it? Ooh, neon. Wow, what a variety in this one little box. You've got something for every occasion, haven't you, with this? Wow. Nice. Stop faffing. Put them in. I've dropped a stick. Oh, This swatch is not covered in fluff. That's that. I'll do the 2 corner one and the silver one last because I think it's going to be glittery. Wow, that's amazing cover, that black. Gorgeous. Oh, it's pretty frosty pink. It's got a lovely shimmer. Yeah, like the green but in a pink. Pretty. Put too much on, I think. That's nice. Nice silvery shimmer on that. Beautiful. I think these colours will look nice over all the colours as well. Lovely. Last but not least, that silver chrome. Full coverage. So I'll do a second coat on everything on this set and I'll come back and show you. So this one, that's your all your colours there. What a lovely assortment. We've got the frosty ones. I love this silvery white. And then this one looks more chromy, so that's more jelly, that's more opaque. But look at that coverage. That's fab, isn't it? Right, so that's that set. So what I'll do is I'll do some speed swatching on the other 2. And then I'll come back and show you when they're done, because otherwise this is going to take about an hour and a half. So let's just have a look at this one for first impressions. So this is Saxon's. Can't pronounce that second name. Again with a brush. Oh, these look autumn. love these. Oh, they're a lovely choice. Right, like I say, speed swatching because I don't want to bore you. You've seen the consistency, all the model ones' consistency will be the same. So I'll kind of click my fingers and we'll come back and these will be done. So here's this one. This is Saxon. Aren't they stunning for autumn? You've got a silvery, well, it's sort of silvery white, peachy white. I love these two together. That nude and that very pale sort of pistachio green. Lovely autumn colours them. Smashing. And in the light, looking down at that, I thought that was going to be navy, so that's a nice surprise, that being like a really dark teal. But aren't these cute? Wow. I'm going to wipe that now, that's going to do ready. So I'm going to put my little sticky tab back on. There we go. That keep the lid clean. Beautiful. Right. One more to go, which is Tom's. So let's have a quick look at it. Let's move these. A quick look at this one. Oh, Rich Girl Retro. Oh, I can see why it's called that. Lots of shimmer. Beautiful. Rich jewel colours, aren't they? Right, I'll swatch them and I'll come back and show you what they're like. Right, so these are Tom's, Tomba Chic. What do you think? I think they're stunning. Jewel colours they are. Take you through autumn into Christmas and New Year. Got your golds. Some are chromy looking. The blue is ever so slightly transparent, but it's still got some glitter in it, some sheen in it. And you've got solid and red chromy colours. Oh, I think they're lovely. Now then, what I'm going to do, thank you very much to Modelones for sending them, and thank you to everybody for watching. But what I'm going to do is, if you've stayed this long, just to let you know, I'm going to put a picture up at the end of all three, with all the three swatches, and I would like you to choose which one is your favourite set, not favourite nail. And then there might be a little surprise for you next time I see you. So, take care everybody. Don't forget to click the like button, and if you've not already subscribed, please consider it. It's free. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.